मारूफ उठो अब तुम हालात बदल डालो, आ जाओ रुकावट तो इतिहास बदल डालो।
Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respected chief guest, respected teachers, and dear all. We gathered here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day. First of all, I would extend a very warm greeting to all of you and I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today is the day when every Indian comes together to show the world our strength. We have different religion, different language, different culture and customs, but above this we are Indians. Dear audience, 26 January is the day of pride for every Indian. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect, which ensures the fundamental rights of every citizen, such as right to equality, freedom, culture, education, caste and religion. Dear brother, today we are not only celebrating the Constitution of India, but also remembering the martyrs, the real heroes of our nation, who struggled to free India from British Empire and sacrificed their life of the sake of our country. Dear audience, so let's pay tribute to our freedom fighters, martyrs from the bottom of our hearts and celebrate Republic Day together. नफरत बुरी है न पालो इसे, नफरत बुरी है न पालो इसे, दिलों में खलिश है निकालो इसे, न तेरा न मेरा न उसका न इसका, ये सबका वतन है संभालो इसे, ये सबका वतन है संभालो इसे. Dear audience, before start program, I would thank our guests, all MF members who are working for the welfare of our generation, especially Dr. Adnan Sahab, who is among dynamic personalities, and Samim Mustaq Sahab, who is the director of MEF Coaching Center and is very eager beaver to increase the education in Pura Maruf. Dear audience, now I want to start our program without any delay. It is our tradition that when we start any program, we start it with recitation of the Holy Quran. Today also, I would begin our program with recitation of the Holy Quran. For this noble task, I would request Hafiz Suhail Abdullah Sahab, please come and give a wonderful starting by reciting the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه